everyone, I'm Rachel,
And I'm David.
and we want to show you what it's like being elite status on Princess Cruises. Let's
Let's
go!
go.
Princess Cruises has a 5-tier loyalty program called Captain Circle Rewards. Depending on how many cruises or days you've sailed, you automatically level up as you cruise. While the other tiers have some pretty great perks like 50% off of Wi-Fi, exclusive lounges, and discounts on photos or spa treatments, we finally hit the top tier of elite status and want to cover what you get as some of Princess's most sailed guests on board. Let us know in the comments if you want videos about some of the other tier benefits.
All right, so let's walk through all the perks you get when you are elite with Princess Cruises. And to be clear, you have to have sailed 15 cruises or 150 sea days with Princess in order to be elite. So the first is that you get a black medallion. If you've watched any of our other videos, you know that the medallion is a substitute for your cruise card, and that's how you get, into your room and you buy things on the ship. The staff see it and they know to let you into certain places or to give you certain things.
Yeah, so we were actually checking in today and they saw we had a black medallion after we went through the check-in process. And she tried to pull us aside and say, we have this little lounge for you guys.
Yeah.
So,
Which that's a separate perk, actually. The other lounge is at certain ports when you're embarking, you have a priority lounge because some ports will let you ride on the ship, while other ports you may have to wait. Maybe the ship's not ready. And there is a separate lounge for Platinum and Elite members to wait. And they usually have some, pastries and drinks that are included. They'll pull you aside if they notice that you are an Elite member.
yeah, cool.
Another perk is a 10% discount at the Princess shops. This is really nice on board. Just make sure that you show them your medallion because they won't ask. Make sure you tell them.
Oh, that's cool because you can kind of stack that with the duty-free stuff also. So it actually works out pretty well. And I think, a lot of the princess stuff in particular is pretty quality.
Yeah. I've bought more than one piece of clothing and things when I forgot something or didn't bring a jacket on a trip because I didn't think it would be that cold. And it's really nice to get a discount on that.
Yeah, and you can get like a Stanley Bear or things like that too. So I think it's actually a pretty cool little perk.
And it's nice also, not just on Princess merchandise, like you could even get necessities. Like if you forgot deodorant, you could get 10% off that. Also, you get 10% off shore excursions. This one is a little bit different as well. If you book your shore excursions ahead of time, you're not going to see the discount on the website. You're going to get it back as stateroom credit. So we didn't know that the first time and we're kind of confused how it worked. But if you log on to your folio, as soon as you get on board, you'll actually see the loyalty credit back. That is 10% value of all of the excursions you book.
That's pretty cool. So would that work if you want to play in the casino? Does it go towards all that?
Yes, basically anything that's stateroom credit with Princess goes into the same pool, into your folio. So if you charge in the casino or if you charge at a shop or if you buy an excursion while you're on board or drinks, all of that gets charged to your folio. And so if you have onboard credit or you get credit back from one of these purchases, that will all go in to negate that value. Next, you actually get priority ship-to-shore water shuttle embarkation. So this is really nice for if you have a water shuttle port. For instance, we are going to Catalina and you have to take a water shuttle from your boat to the actual port that you're going to. And elite members actually get told a certain place to meet and there's a lounge and you get first choice off of the ship.
Being able to get to shore in an easier manner than, the big cluster of people all trying to get water shuttle tickets.
Yeah.
That's actually pretty great.
And I didn't kind of explain, like, if you don't have an excursion and you're not elite status and you want to go ashore, you have to go to a certain location and pick up a water shuttle ticket. And if it's a busy day and a crowded cruise, you might have to wait 30 minutes, an hour for your shuttle time. So this is very nice to have a lounge where you can go and wait while you're waiting on your shuttle, but also just to not have to deal with that whole process.
Cool.
The next one is complimentary Grapevine wine tasting event. And we do not drink, so we are not going to be attending this, but I have heard that it's a really cool event. And even if you don't have a drink package, you're going to get some wine to taste and to enjoy. So that could be a really good perk for somebody who doesn't want to pay, but wants to get some more.
I think it's actually pretty interesting, especially if you're a huge wine fan, or maybe you're not really that big into wine. At least you can test the field and kind of see what you like. And knowing that if you find something you really do like, these are all wines they serve on board, so you can order them with dinner or whatever. So I think it's worth going, especially if you're kind of on the fence about wine or if you're really into wine. I think that's actually a pretty cool perk. So
yeah, and that is scheduled at a set date and time for all elite members. So you'll get a notice about that in your stateroom. And the next perk is the complimentary minibar setup.
Mm.
When you first get into your room, they will usually have it set up then. And it's little bottles of vodka and some other alcohols, as well as some beer, some soda, some waters in your fridge. It's actually a decent amount of
Yeah.
alcohol, I feel like, a decent amount of waters and sodas as well. You don't get to pick what they put in your room. But the last couple times we've had it, we've actually left a note and asked our steward if they could replace some of the alcohol with Diet Coke, and they did. And that was really great for us because one, it's cheaper for them. They don't have to spend the money on the alcohol, but it's also good for us because we get to have something we'll enjoy.
Yeah, and I don't know if I mentioned this to you. I've seen people online ask for like Red Bulls to be put in their energy drinks. So there's a couple different options you can request. Hopefully they fulfill it, but kind of temper your expectations. It might vary by ship.
And the next one is Deluxe Canapé selection on formal
Oh
nights.
yeah, yeah.
So how this works is you get a placard from your stateroom steward the day before formal night, and it has some options of the different canapes that you might partake in. You can choose which one or ones that you want and give it back to your stateroom steward before 9 a.m. the next day.
The canapé selection depends on your ship, and you'll get them delivered to your room on formal night.
So in the past, we've had things like caviar, and there's been, just lots of different seafood items. And yeah, they're a lot fancier than just the normal appetizers on formal night.
Yeah, it does vary by ship too and kind of region. If you're in a region that's pretty high in seafood, you're more likely to see some of the shellfish type stuff. But I think it's a really nice way to have a little bit of a fancier evening, even though it's already going to be a pretty fancy evening. So if you guys are getting dressed up and doing the pictures and stuff like that, I think it's worth filling out the placard, especially if there's a couple things on there that interest you.
And you can get complimentary afternoon tea in your stateroom.
Mm.
They will just bring you the nice afternoon tea that you can just enjoy either inside or on your balcony, wherever you want in your room. For anybody who does not know, Princess does usually have an afternoon tea sitting in one of their main dining rooms on sea days. And this is just kind of that, but a lot more chill.
Something to kind of keep in mind with this process, though, if you're a tipper or you want to tip an additional amount, this is a good time to probably do that because of the amount of work it takes to get it set up. We typically will tip in this situation, and I think it's actually so awesome.
And you get priority disembarkation. So this is yes and no in our experience. It doesn't mean you just get to walk off the ship anytime you want. What this means is that, based off of your flights, if you're taking a shuttle, if you're doing a disembarkation excursion, those sorts of things, instead of going to the lounge that you would be told to wait in otherwise, you get to go wait in a priority lounge for Platinum and Elite members. And that priority lounge does have some pastries and some drinks and things, and it's a lot less crowded than like the buffet area or any of those other lounges because if you've watched our What We Love and Hate About Princess video, you know we don't particularly enjoy the disembarkation process because it's too crowded. They put too many people in some of these lounges. So for us, we enjoy going to the Platinum and Elite Lounge on disembarkation morning because it's just a lot more calm and they make all the same announcements.
Yeah, they have it down to a science, really. The only issue I really have with it is there's been a couple times where we were trying to make our way to those elite lounges for this process, and they turned us away. They were just like, no, everybody's getting off right now. You're not going to a lounge. And that might have been more situational. It hasn't happened since, but I thought that was a little weird. Just, got to put your patient pants on and don't let the disembarkation process ruin a trip that was just really amazing. So.
And we're to the last two perks, and these are probably my favorite of all of them. The first one is complimentary laundry services and shoe
That's
polishing.
right. Yeah.
We have not used the shoe polishing, but we have used the laundry. What this means is you get a laundry bag and you can fill that laundry bag to the brim, and that is included. Last time we did it, I think the charge was $70 and that was waived. So it's a really, really great perk and it does save you some money. Just a heads up that it will actually go onto your stateroom folio as a charge and then the next day it will be removed. So if you, get laundry done and then you see that they charge you, wait a day or two before you talk to guest services just to make sure that it gets removed. Obviously, if you want it pressed, you'll have to pay for that. But if you just need something washed, it's a really nice perk.
Yeah, we can't overstate how awesome this perk is because not only do you get a full bag of laundry, it's per person.
Yeah.
So we're doing a 7-day cruise right now. If for some reason we needed laundry done, Rachel could do a full bag under her name and then I can do a full bag under my name. And that's like actually a ridiculous amount of laundry. Being able to kind of take advantage of this perk, I feel like has kind of really changed the way we do our vacations. And so I really love this perk.
I'll say, as a person that does all the packing,
Mhm.
I am a lot less stressed out knowing that, we can do some laundry while on the ship. You can do your own laundry on most of Princess's ships. So they do have laundromats on some floors and you can go and it's not expensive. I have done that before. But the thing about this perk is like it's giving you your time back. Because if you're doing laundry yourself, you're having to set a timer and make sure you go over there. And some people will take your laundry out if they're very impatient and they want to do their own laundry. And so it's making sure that you can enjoy your vacation the most because you're not having to worry about where your laundry is, if you need to change it out, if you need to go get it. And the last perk is you have an elite line at guest services. Obviously, I would encourage using the crew call chat if you can. If you have a simple question like what time is something open or is it possible to get this food item somewhere, something like that, use the crew call chat. But if you have a request like your medallion stopped working for some reason, or you want to try to change rooms and you need to go to guest services, you have a separate line. And it's so nice because sometimes, especially on embarkation and the day before disembarkation, those lines can get super, super long. It saves you a lot of time.
Yeah, it really does. I've had to use it in the past before because the battery in my medallion died randomly. I have an appreciation for this perk, and I think there will come a time where almost every person who cruises fairly often is going to run into
Yeah.
a time where they have to use guest services, unfortunately. Knowing that you have that option is it takes a little bit of stress off.
So that was our review of everything you get when you're elite status with Princess.
Cool. Yeah, I think being elite has really changed the way we vacation with Princess. Once you hit elite status with one cruise line, there are other cruise lines that will match your tier status, and I think that's really important to take advantage of. We're starting to see more and more elite status people come on board, so I'm wondering if they're going to add more tiers in the future. And if they do, that'll be cool too, and we'll cover those for you guys. So,
Yeah. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content from us, please like the video and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. But for now, I'm Rachel,
and I'm David.
and we hope this video helped you find the right direction for your next adventure.
Bye.
Bye!